Hi, this is Shomodeep Ghosh. Basically, I'm an assistant professor since for the 7 years, and today I just give you a topics DC full wave control converter. That is a single phase with DC motor drive. So basically, I have given up our topics over here is basic power electronics and drives. The power electronics, it's a switch. It's a manual. It's not a manual switch. It's a software switch, right? Basically, it will be deal with the MATLAB, and I will give you the concept for the latter videos also. But previously, this is my first video, so if you just subscribe my channel, if you like, you can subscribe my channel itself. So power electronics, basically the switch where we can control the energy from AC to DC, DC to DC, DC to AC, and AC to AC. So basically, in case of a manual switch, what we are using, in case of fan, it may be a light, it will be a manual switch. It will take our human brain at least for the 1 second. But these are the switch that through the use of the software like of a MATLAB, we can turn on a switch at a fraction of a second, of a minimum of a nanosecond, you can say 0.005 second. So what is the basic properties is that when we control the turn of a switch within a fraction of a second, so at that moment the AC can be converted to DC, also DC can be converted to the AC, and that will be the concept of the firing angle, right? So basically the firing angle, it denotes of a thyristor, that is a silicon control rectifier, where in case of a diode, that is a rectifier, also called a rectifier. This is an uncontrolled rectifier which will control AC to DC. So this silicon control rectifier, there is a control rectifier, this is controlled by a gate pulse, that is an hardware concept. But in case of a software concept, if you can go for that, that is a MATLAB. So in case of a MATLAB, you can find out that is called a phase delay, right? So MATLAB, there is different types of versions are there, 7, 8, 9, 10, right now 10 is going on. So basically I will give you some of a theoretical ideas so that you have some of a concept level. So basically a lot of students are feared about the power electronics and drives. So I will give you some of a clearance in such a way so it will be easy to pass in the paper itself, and you can also modify yourself as you have a good conceptual ideas. So basically today I am taking off topics of a single phase full wave control converter using DC motor drive. So that means what is, I can give you a practical ideas. So every motor, the drive concept is that the drive, it actual means it will convert it electrical to the mechanical energy. So that is called a motoring action. And in case of a braking action, it will be taken as an opposite. What does it mean? That means mechanical energy is converted into the electrical energy. So what in case of that, right now everywhere, that's in case of a car is a four-wheeler, you see that the drive can be controlled over there, so motion can be controlled, right? But in case of a control through the software or through the robots, we are using some of a MATLAB concept as a software. Inside that, the power electronic switches are used over there. To control the switches, we control the firing angle. So firing angle, when we control the firing angle, we can use the voltage, as it is also a parameter of a speed. So therefore by changing the alpha, that is called a firing angle, which is denotes that's a turn on of a thyristor at a particular time. So the firing angle, it is the turn on time of a thyristor, it's nothing else. That is also known as a phase delay. So basically you can follow the P.S. Bhimrao also, because he is the godfather of power electronics. A lot of books we are following. In case of a previous, when I have completed my MTech also, right, in power electronics and drives, so we have followed a lot of things. So today I just teach you some of the topics which are described in the Dubai also, but it is not kind of a comfortable one for the student itself. so that it will the drives also which is linked up with the power electronics and which is used in the application of the industrial, so that it will be a comfortable for the student itself. Let us start. So I've given a brief idea, that is a power electronic switches are there where we are using the silicon control rectifier. It is also known as the thyristor itself. Just have a look, huh? Chalo.